Rain and plenty of it causing all kinds of flooding across our region. Washed out fields spilling into roads and highways across the state. And in some places, raging torrents of water threatening to cause rivers to rise. Beautiful to look at, but still dangerous as a flood watch continues tonight. Thank you for joining us on this soggy Saturday evening. I'm Peter Fleischer. With rain like what we've seen, we have to begin with weather, and there's even more of that on the way. Meteorologist Jessica Van Meter tracking it all. She's got a first look at your forecast.
Hey there, yeah, we got plenty of flood alerts out there right now. We're going to run through some of those to get things started here. Everything you see in green, some kind of flood watch, warning, or advisory. Some of these are going to stick with us mostly through the overnight. A few of those river ones are going to go a few days as those rivers take some time to actually crest. Now, we do still have rain falling for many areas, and we're going to continue to have some more showers. So we do have flood watches that are going to be in effect still for most of the area through at least Sunday morning at this point. We do have flood advisories through midnight at this point. Some of those could get extended a little further, mainly for our southern counties. These are the areas where we've really seen the most abundant rainfall and where we are seeing some additional issues. So all of our current flood warnings, there's several of them. We're going to run through some of these. First one's going to be Black River out towards Elyria in Lorain County. That warning is going until further notice. Most of these are for minor flooding that's expected to happen as some of these rivers, creeks, streams do start to crest. We've got another flood warning. This is for the Black Fork Mohican River in southern Ashland County. This is near Loudonville and out towards Perrysville. This is actually going to crest tonight with some minor flooding. Some of the low-lying campgrounds right along the river could be impacted by some flooding with this. We've also got flood warnings for areas of Wayne down through Holmes County. This is for Killbuck Creek at Killbuck, and that's going to be going throughout Wednesday night is the current expectation for that. Another flood warning out towards Stillwater Creek near Yorksville. That one's also expected to go until Wednesday afternoon at this point. Another one, we are not done yet. The Newshellen River, Creek, that is going to be near North Industries, south of Canton in Stark County. That's expected to go through tomorrow morning. And a couple of new ones, a flood warning for Sandy Creek near Waynesburg. That's just going to be for the next couple of hours as that crusts and then falls through the overnight. And another flood warning with some minor flooding reported out near the Malvern area. This is going to be for northwestern Carroll County, really, again, just through tomorrow morning. Last one for you, Eagle Creek in Trumbull County. That's going to be going through Monday morning for that western part of the county. Again, we still have some rain falling. We are not done just yet. We're going to track that rain, and when we could see some rain changing over to snow coming up, Peter.
Crucial safety information tonight. Jessica, thanks. We'll see you later on.